Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll discuss income tax return filing due dates for the financial year 2020-21. Due to pandemic situation, the income tax department has postponed the dates for filing the income tax returns for the financial year 2020-21. Income tax return ITR last dates updated and simplified. Income tax return for individuals, professionals, small business, etc. apart from audit cases, the last date has been extended till 30th September of 2021. Tax audit report under transfer pricing section 92E last date has been extended to November 30, 2021. Income tax return for persons other than persons mentioned above, deadline has been extended to November 30, 2021. Tax audit report filing last date is 31st October 2021. Income tax return of persons requiring tax audit report under transfer pricing section 92E deadline is 31st December 2021. Belated revised income tax return last date is 31st January 2022. So dear friends, hope you understood the last dates for filing the ITR for the financial year 2021-22. If you have any queries or questions related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I will be happy enough to answer all queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.